guess what we're filming today? Ta-da! Good day everyone, it's Larissa and Igor.
And today we're filming legendary American military car, Humvee.
So guys, today is an unexpected review. We're filming the car that we really wanted to film many weeks. I think that everything that we're going to tell you today about it, it's going to be really fun and interesting. No leather, no fabric, it's just metal everywhere. Guys, it just looks like in a tank. It's not the car, it's a real tank. When we went to pick up the car today, it was raining a little bit in the morning because this car has the tent roof. It's not metal, it's fabric. We turned it on and started driving and all the water just starts dripping everywhere. So one tip, if you have this car, make sure that you close your windows. Now we're going to play a game. Igor is going to ask me where stuff is. I'm going to guess where it is.
Where is temperature regulator inside interior?
It says temp, so probably this is it, but this is kind of a handle that I have no idea how to make it work, but
okay, I try to change it.
I think I need to turn it. No, pull. So to change the temperature I need to pull the handle. Okay.
Could you start this car? Yeah, it's a trick. No key in this
No
car.
key? Oh, okay, wait. So it says wait, right? So I need to wait. Okay. So then when it turns, okay, now I can start it.
Right.
I don't know.
Shut it off.
Like this?
Oh. Where is the button for windshield wipers? Look up.
It's here!
Yeah,
When I saw this car inside, I was a little bit surprised. There is only metal here, nothing, covered by fabric or plastic or anything. So it really looks like you're in something, like tractor or tank. What I was surprised about is that I have to slide the windows like this, and the doors are very heavy, so you really need to pull the handle to open it. Hello! The owner of this car changed the doors because before they were 10 doors, and now I'm going to show you how to open and close the windows. So to close the windows, you need to do it this way. You need to have a lot of energy to do it, and even I cannot do it. So to roll down the windows, you need to pull this thing and also do it this way. To open the door, you really need to have a lot of power to put this way so this handle opens.
The reason why they did this design of doors is because it's real military door. And could you imagine if you roll over on this car or stuck somewhere, how can it get out from the car? It's a weight. You cannot do this with your regular window regulator, but with this design you can leave with your car and be safe. Right now I will show you how to open the hood on this car. It's heavy even for me. That's the engine. You can do whatever you want from any spot you want. For early years of production, Humvee has 6.2-liter engine as this one. For late models, they put 6.5-liter engine with more horsepower. It was 190 horsepower. And for latest models, they put the same 6.5-liter engine with turbocharger. Thanks to more powerful engine on late models, you can put more weight in your car. It's 1,500 pounds or 680 kilograms. This car is dream for mechanic. It's super simple. You can do whatever you want from any spot of this car. Change suspension, air filter, like change your alternator, whatever you want. It's so easy to reach. Humvee can go through the 30-inch deep water, and even if you replace air filter and put them higher, you can go even when water close your windows. Humvee has huge tires, really huge one, and thanks to these tires, he can climb even through the 22-inch obstacles. Humvee has special tires with special magnesium layers which increase your comfort and safety during driving. For early models Humvee, they never put AC. On late models you can find it, but again, for summer, door is very easy to replace. You just need to lift it up and remove it. The roof also built with regular fabric, you can remove it easily, and you can build something like convertible for summer.
To be honest, car is slow, but I don't feel the limit of the speed because car is really solid, and only when you check your speed you feel that speed all the time is like crazy. This car feels really slow on the road.
Right now I think it's gonna be the most funniest thing. We'll ask Larissa to drive this car because she never did this, and we'll see how this happened.
The car doesn't have the parking position. It has this emergency brake that you need to, you first need to press the brake button, and then you need to pull it, and then put your gear on drive, and then the car will not start because I didn't turn on the engine. Great job! I'm trying to start the car now, so I will wait until the wait button turns off. It did. And then take number 3. You need to put the car on the driving position, and then I think it's going to move. Yay! Woo, 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 woo! It's a very big car. Wow. Oh, the water is dripping. Like I didn't expect that the the acceleration is so soft. I thought that I needed to wow, I like it. Oh my god, I like it. I like this car. I feel so safe in it. To do the same. I need to pull this first. Neutral. Stop the engine. Did I do well?
Right now we are going to put Humvee on a lift and we'll see how it looks underneath. I would say it's not problem, but because car has just 10,000 miles on it, but at least you will see how real Humvee look underneath. This Humvee built in 1986, and what we can see here, I would say 2 different quality of General Motors. One of them is like great without any rust, and another one is still the same General Motors as we usually see. The frame for Humvee built from steel, but whole body built from aluminum. That's why we can't find even one spot with a rust on the body, because it's built from aluminum. And for example, exhaust system built from the same bad quality as usual GM, and it's pretty rusty. This car was built with two different types of transmission. First one is 3-speed automatic transmission, as in this one on early years of build, and then when they replaced engine from 6.2 liter to 6.5 liter, they start to put 4-speed automatic transmission. Compared to other regular truck, Humvee has all powertrain inside the frame, on the top of the frame. Compared to regular trucks, they usually put them under the knees. Why they did it? Because when you put them inside the frame, on the top of the frame, you have more smoother bottom of your truck, which is allow you to force any obstacle cross. I can't tell you much about quality because this car is pretty new, just 10,000 miles on it, and it was on the military reserve from since 1986. But we can see something what usually regular GM has. It's a rust on exhaust system, as I told you, and for example leak on transmission, as you can see here, and some small leak on the front of the engine. We will show you now. That's other leak from under the pulley, and I would say it's not even leak, it's foggy spot, but again, it's very usual for GM, and let's remember this is just 10,000 miles. This car has 4 vented brake rotors, and during my driving this car, I really can tell this brake is really nice for this size of car, really nice. Also, as you can see, quality of metal for brake rotors really high. They still smooth without any rust, really great quality of metal. Look on this starter. I never saw anything so huge as this one on a regular truck. Brake line is fine for now, but as I can see, brake line is built from the same cheap material, metal, which usually used by GM. Look at this design. To make move your water pump and power steering pump, you have like 4 belts. I think you never saw anything like this on a regular car. The same vented brake rotors on the back. Really cool for this year. Thank you for watching us. Hopefully you will like it, and I hope you will see us in next review.